Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on my channel 50% Angel. Today we are going to do something fun and exciting. So if you have a lot of free time to kill, here are 3 super fun, super awesome and extremely easy and effortless DIY crafts that you can make, and these are basically home decor. We'll get started just in a minute. So here's what I have been thinking, right? We are all sitting at home, majority of us are sitting at home, and there are times when you actually don't really know what to do with your time, and you do want to indulge in artsy stuff, but then you don't want to like break a sweat and you don't want to put in that much of effort. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 super simple, super fun and amazing, I would say, DIY crafts that you can do on your own with your family, and you can make as many of these as you want because they take just that much. Let's get straight to it. So that was it, guys. I really hope you guys had super fun watching them, and I sincerely hope that you will try to make these at home. If you do, please share with me your versions and let me know in the comments below if you would like me to do more fun crafts like this that are time saving and that will make your home or maybe your organizing spaces look better. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with as many people as you can, because I'm gonna be back with some more fun DIY stuff for you to do in the next episode. Like I always say, share the love because we need it more. Cheers!